Good morning, all of you. Today we will study about the types of the amendments. According to the Article 368 provides the two types of the amendments, that is by the special majority of the Parliament and also through the ratifications of the half of the states by a simple majority. But some other articles provide for the amendment of the certain provisions of the constitution by a simple majority of the parliament, that is a majority of the members of the each house present and voting, similar to the ordinary legislative process. Notably, these amendments are not deemed to be the amendments of the constitution for the purpose of the article 368. Therefore, the constitution can be amended in three ways: amendment by the simple majority of the parliament, amendment by the special majority of the parliament, and the amendment by the special majority of the parliament and the ratification of the half of the state legislatures. So we will study here about the types of the amendment. It is mentioned in the article 368, which is provided in the article 368, and in our constitution there are there are the two types of the amendments, through the simple majority and the special majority. And here therefore the constitution can be amended in three ways. First one is the amendment by the simple majority of the parliament and the special majority, and by the ratification, amendment by the special majority, parliament and the ratifications. So here one by one we will study about the amendment of the constitution article according to the 368 by the simple majority of the parliament. Here are the some process we will study here. A number of the provisions in the constitution can be amended by a simple majority of the two houses of the parliament outside the scope of the article 3. We have learned a lot of things about the 368. These provisions include, keep in mind that according to the article, it is a right of the parliament that they can amendment in the constitution, but they cannot exploit of the basic structure of the constitution according to the constitution, or according to the Keswanand Bharati case, which is mentioned in our constitution, which is mentioned by the Supreme Court Chief Justice, that we can exploit the basic structure of the constitution while we are doing the amendment, or parliament doing the amendment. So first one is the admission of the establishment of the new states, which process, for example, the simple majority of the parliament, and we can do here are mentioned the approximately 18 points that we can amend in these things. First one is the admission of the establishment of the new states. Second one, the formation of the new states and the alteration of the areas, boundaries, names of the states, rename of the state also. Abolition of the creation of the legislature councils in the states. Fourth one is the second schedule, emoluments, alliances, privileges and show on the president, the government of the speakers, judge, etc. Quantum in the parliament, salaries of the alliances of the members of the parliament, rules of the process in the parliament, privileges of the parliament, its member of its committees, use of the English language in the parliament, number of the percent judges in the Supreme Court, conferment of the more jurisdiction on the Supreme Court, use of the official language. And the 13 on the citizenship acquisition and the termination, elections of the parliament and the state legislature, delimitations of the constituencies, union territories, fifth schedule, fourth we have studied here, and the fifth schedule, admission of the scheduled areas of the scheduled tribes, and the sixth schedule, administration of the tribal areas. So in these areas we can amendment our parliament amendment through the simple majority. Tomorrow we will study about the special majority of the parliament and which is process, and which areas we can, our parliament can amendment. So till then, take care.